Alright y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be sampling some vegan gummy bears. So I've done this before on my channel, but the brand I'm going to be using today is Vegobears, and I'll be sampling their Malibu and their Venice Beach flavors. Okay, let's start with the Malibu flavor. So already packaging is real cute. These are vegan, organic. And yeah, this flavor is supposed to be cherry and raspberry. This is what they look like when they come out of the pack. I'm not sure if I'm getting these in focus, but you see them. And then this is the other color, this peachy one here. So let's go with the darker one first. I'm not gonna lie, that one kind of tastes like cough syrup. Go with the lighter one. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what to make of these flavors. I'm hoping that the sour one like helps make this experience better. So this is supposed to be lemon, apple, and pineapple, and this is called Venice Beach. Oh, these smell really good. Okay, I got at least 2 different looking ones. So let's go with this one first. This one's good. That's definitely lemon, y'all. Woo! Okay. It's time to do the pop method. So, key for packaging or presentation and plating, they get full points. Like, the packaging is super cute. Like, I'm into it enough to like pick it up. So yes. Now optic wise, it's giving that traditional like gummy kind of shape. Let me get a sour one to compare. Kind of has the presentation of like a Sour Patch Kids. So optic wise, I would say yes. Now I know this isn't really optics, but I'm also going to include smell into this section. Yeah, the Malibu ones, they don't smell as good as the Venice Beach sour ones, so there's that. Now when it comes to the last P, which is price and punch, I already told you the price is $6 a bag, but the punch, you know, the actual flavor, the pop, I would say that while these aren't bad, they're not my favorite. It was hard for me to distinguish between the light one and the dark one, which one was cherry and which one was raspberry, or if it was supposed to be some raspberry cherry blend. I wasn't a huge fan, but I got a lemon and I got maybe the green apple one of the Venice Beach, and it was so good. They are very sour, but just really nice. So overall, I'm gonna say this Venice Beach, the sour one, saved the whole review. And so for that reason, I'm gonna say that it's poppin'. So you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.